You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Manoj, a name of whose main origin is Hindi, popular in Hindu religion, meaning born of mind. Manoj. More videos here for you on how to pronounce more confusing names. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe if you enjoy learning. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.